Hello, welcome to the Cisco Catalyst Center training series for industrial switches. I'm Erika Franco, I'm part of the IoT Solution Group. Today we will cover compliance for industrial switches. Most times there is a discrepancy between the current status of the network and the network design, and this happens as a result of regular operations. With time, as we move, reconfigure, delete things, they deviate from the original design. That is why compliance is very important. Compliance helps us identify what is not working as designed, what is not configured as per the standard, and with this information we can remediate the problem. Let's take a look into Cisco Catalyst Center compliance check. Cisco Catalyst Center implements network setting compliance, day and template compliance, discrepancies between startup and running configuration. It highlights when a switch is not running the software image for the site, and it shows critical security advisories and end-of-life components. All of this guarantees that your network will be running up to standards. Network setting compliance identifies deviation from the global settings of the site, such as NTP, DNS, or AAA. If the configuration is not aligned with these global settings, Catalyst Center will highlight this and provide remediation alternatives. In this example, NTP was configured for the site, but the switch was modified offline. Catalyst Center will highlight this as a violation and will provide some remediation alternative. Network profile compliance is the compliance against a day-end template. So if a switch is configured with a template, a day-end template from Catalyst Center, and there is an out-of-band change to the device, there will be a compliance notification. It will be highlighted as out of compliance. Catalyst Center will show what is the configuration that has changed and also will provide some remediation alternative. Cisco Catalyst Center also identifies difference between startup and running configuration. This is especially important to guarantee that the network will keep working as it was before a power outage or a reload. If there is any difference between these two files, Catalyst Center will flag this and the operator can decide to sync the running configuration into the startup configuration to remediate this. Cisco Catalyst Center also provides a view of the configuration drift over time and color codes when the change is inbound or outbound. It highlights the difference so the operator can see how the configuration has changed. Another compliance feature is the software image compliance. Cisco Catalyst Center will alert when a switch is not running the golden image configuration, and this can be remediated using SWIM. A device is also marked as non-compliant if it has any critical security advisories. If it has any other advisory that is not critical, it can be seen on the inventory page of the device. All advisories have links to investigate more. End-of-life compliance will display if there is any end-of-life announcement for the hardware, the software that is running on the switch, or a module that is inserted into the switch. That way, the network administrator can plan to upgrade as required. This concludes the overview video for compliance of the Catalyst Center training series for industrial switches. Next video will showcase a demo. Thanks for watching.